Hi everyone. I came back today with a unique strategy. This strategy has just been added to the trading view, and I created this strategy by combining two indicators. Nobody knows this magic indicator and it was added just a few days ago. This indicator has very complicated settings, so stay with me until the end of this video and watch carefully. Because I say very important points about this strategy during training. And these important points make the win rate of this strategy reach 99%. This is a new strategy and has only 4 followers. Okay dear traders. Let's learn this profitable strategy. First of all, I put the candles in Heikin-Ashi mode. Then let's add the indicators to the chart. In the indicators section, we search for VSS. Then we add this indicator to the chart. You see, this is a new indicator. The indicator has been added to the chart is too busy and nothing is clear. Let's go to the indicator settings and apply the settings method. Let's go to the style section. Uncheck these options. Go ahead like me. Just do not touch these few options. See how calm and orderly the chart became. Before we test this indicator, let me briefly explain the next indicator. This indicator alone is a strategy, and it has a very high win rate. I combine this with the previous indicator. See what high profits it makes. Gives the best points to enter the position. I take days and hours to find these indicators. So give me encouragement by liking this video. Let's test the previous indicator, then I will explain this indicator in detail. Let me first explain how to use this indicator. First condition. Whenever this line turns green and the green candle is above this line, and the signal indicator enters, we enter the buy position. I say the next condition during the test. Here is the sell signal indicator. But this is not valid, because the green line is in the upward direction and that it is not red yet. So we wait for it to turn red and move in a downward direction. Here, for example, the signal is valid. Here is the buy signal indicator, but it is not valid. Because the line is descending and that it is red, the candle is closed below the red line. But here the signal is valid, because all the conditions are met. I think you understand to some extent. Here, because it is the range market, the indicator gives the wrong signal. Here the price chart collided with our stop. But I will fix the false signals by adding the next indicator. Here are both conditions for the sell position. Not valid for one reason. It is true that the line has become red, but the line is currently moving upwards. These types of signals are risky. It is better not to enter the trade. But here it is completely approved and you can enter the sell position. Risk to reward try 1 or 1.5. Here both conditions are met, the line is completely green, and the candle above the line is closed. We enter the buy position. Not all signals are valid here, as the market is bullish. And the ascending line does not confirm entering the position. Here is the red line and it is located above the candle. Let's add the second indicator to the chart. And let's increase the win rate of this strategy. Search Williams or % here. Add this indicator to the chart. This indicator alone is a powerful strategy. I will test it later, you will see for yourself. Let's change the settings of this indicator. We change the number 20 from the upper band to 40. Make it red to see it more clearly. Change the crease line to a smooth line. Well, the settings were applied to the indicator and it is ready for testing. Whenever the yellow line crosses the blue line upwards, it is a buy signal. For the sell signal, whenever the yellow line crosses the horizontal red line and the blue line crosses down, we take the sell position. Whenever the upper indicator enters the signal, and the lower indicator confirms it, this signal is valid. As you can see here, both indicators signal buying. If you pay a little attention, the win rate of this strategy reaches 100%. Let's test a few positions with this strategy. Note that this sell signal is not valid, because the line is both green and moves up. Here is the sell signal indicator. But only one condition is met and the line is still green and also moving up. But here are all three conditions. We enter the sell short position. Here the buy signal indicator is given but the line is down and also red. And if the candle was ascending and the line became green and the candle closed above the line, you can enter the buy position. Let's test this strategy on the Bitcoin chart, to see that it responds to every chart and has a high win rate. This strategy gives less signal in this case, but all signals give 100% profit. But if you take price action into account and trade in the direction of the trend, it is quite profitable. Take a test from the indicator below, to see that this in itself is a profitable strategy. Pay attention to the signals of this strategy. This strategy is very simple, please pay attention to how you signal. Whenever the yellow line crosses the blue line from the bottom up, and the candle color is green, then we open the buy position. For the sell shorts position, whenever the yellow line crosses the blue line from the top down, we enter the shorts trade. I test this on the Bitcoin chart. You can see for yourself that this indicator has an error rate of almost zero. And that alone is a powerful strategy. In the near future, I will combine this strategy with another strategy. And I will publish in the next videos on this channel. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel and ring the bell. See how accurate the signals are. Risk gives a reward of 1 to 5. Stay tuned for our next strategies. I suggest you watch this video, it is an extremely profitable strategy.